I've already recorded this. So what is good for me, I'm recording it again so that you can listen to it twice. When I look at dividends, Gary Lawson funny. So let's do this. If I have my shareholders for dividends, please can I speak alone? Now let's quickly go through that again. I have my opening balance, then I pay it. Ne? I have my interim dividend, then I pay it. Then I have my final dividend. I don't pay it. When do I pay it? Next year. This is my closing balance. Okay, this is my closing balance. Now, what is the cash flow? The cash flow is money coming in, money going out. Now let's quickly think. If you look at this T, which word there indicate money coming in or out?
Bank.
Bank. So can you see the bank goes with the opening balance and the bank goes with the interim. So if I want to know how much dividends did we pay, I take shareholders for dividends, the opening balance, and I add the interim. Now, can you also see if they give it to me here like this, ne? Can you see there? Shareholders for dividends. Can you see there's my opening? There's my closing. What is my closing? Oh, my closing is my final. Can you see that is the final of last year that we didn't pay? Ne? And now we pay it. This is the final of this year that we didn't pay. When will we pay it? Next year. So you have two options how you can do it. You can either say, if they give you the opening and the interim, you just add those two. If they don't do that, because sometimes they are spiteful. Okay? Sometimes, what do I write? What is this? If I go to dividends, what is the interim and the final? No. What is the interim and the final? I say interim plus final equals total dividends. So can you see also, if they give me the total dividends, ne? And how will they do that? If they give me the retained income note, for instance, ne? And they give me the opening of retained income, the net profit after tax, the repurchase of shares, and they just give me this dividends. They don't give me the block and top. Can you see that's my total dividends? Yes. So if they give me the total dividends and they give me the opening and the closing balance, how will I get my interim dividend?
Subtracting the closing.
I just say the total less the closing balance, because the closing balance is the final. Yes.
Please go back to the trial balance one.
If I look in my trial balance here, is that what you're talking about?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is my opening and closing balance. This is my opening and this is my closing. This is the amount that we have not paid to the shareholders yet.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
Now the moment we pay it, ne, it becomes, okay, what do I want to say? What I want to say is that opening, I'm going to pay it in 2022, right? Or even 2021, depending on the dates. It just means it's that closing is most now next month, the opening.
Mm-hmm.
You get it?
Yes.
Get it? Let's quickly do it in numbers. Yes. If they, so you need to have, let me quickly talk to you. You need to have, number one, the opening and the closing balances. That they'll give you as balances, okay? Then number 2, they can either give you the total, which consists of the interim and the final. So they can give you all 3. They can give you those 2. They can give you those 2. Can you see? Then you can calculate that one, and you want that one plus that one.
So your opening, is it almost 3 in the beginning of the year?
Yeah. It's within, usually in school accounting, I don't know in real life, but in school accounting, it's usually paid within the next month, the first month of the year.
So let's say I have a pipeline of like June, that means next year.
I'm going to pay it next year. So this one will form part of next year's cash flow.
Even though there is no adjustment that says that.
So,
Okay.
yes.
So what I need you, we'll do it tomorrow again. What I need you to know is they will give me the opening and closing like this, right? If I look here at the income statement, there is nothing here to do with dividends. Absolutely nothing. Because dividends does not appear in your income statement. But you can go look at your retained income note or additional info.